Hi, are you struggling to set up a campaigns and queuing it efficiently within a good amount of time? Are you optimizing your campaigns? Let's start here. And if you do optimize, are you spending way too long in a report in Excel, not knowing where to start, how to get started, or even like what type of decisions to make? How about this? Can you even confidently talk about what you are doing in front of a client in a client's meeting? If you answered no to some of these questions, I want to help. I've created a program, an accelerator program called the Reach and Frequency. What we do in this program is exactly what I mentioned. We have built it for you. And honestly, I wish I would have had this program when I first started. This is perfect for anybody with less than 2 to 3 years in this industry, whether you're in programmatic media buying, whether you're in ad tech, whether you're on the publisher and media owner side, add ups. I really want to work with you and I know you can benefit. We literally walk you through, give you real life DSP overviews. Some of your assignment will include setting up in those. You will have some of the QA guides that I've developed over the years and while training other traders. You've also have the opportunity to optimize real campaigns. I'm talking about real reports. I'll walk you through everything that you need to do, how to get started, why to make the decision, and how to optimize in 15 minutes or less. Yes, I said that. 15 minutes or less. If this is you and you're ready to step it up and level up in your career and not have to take as long as us, okay, have taken, like the ones that grew up in this industry have taken so long to get to where we are getting, I strongly recommend that you join the program now. Check out the QR code or the link in the notes. And if you have any question, you know where to find me.